Hey, si Kaayo! Yeah, baby! Yeah, that was fun! Yeah!
Now I can fall in love. When the life you make me live, I feel like I had enough of the things you gotta give. Now I can fall in love. When the life you make me live.
Ozzy, you got some words to say? What do you want to share? You having fun at Eden Nature Park with the zip lines?
Mommy. But.
Oh, hey Maxine. Oh, is that them? I didn't realize they were going. Dang it.
Now I can fall in love. With the life you make me live, I feel like I've had enough of the things you gotta give.
All right. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. So I'm in a hamster wheel. Maxine's walking too fast. I'm not looking down. Step in the center. So they say you take big steps. Walk in the center. Gosh, this is so rocky. How's Maxine so far ahead? Oh my gosh. So what's scary is you don't have enough momentum and it kind of stops. That's really scary. This way's not so bad. Okay, alright, salamat kuya. Gosh.
Afraid?
Tense. I was so tense. I didn't even extend my camera out. I was just like holding the thing, and so I don't know what I got. It's like a hidden camera.
It's scary.
At first, because like when you go, it goes pretty fast, but you want to keep that momentum because once you get to the middle, it kind of slows down, so you have to really push. And but I slowed down way early, and Maxine was like way ahead of me. I was like, what the crap? Always remember they have a cutoff. I think it's like 3 p.m. to buy those tickets, or maybe 2:30 in the afternoon. And so now we're just gonna, the rest of the Sibbies, they're gonna do the sky cycle, and then we're gonna do the swing. So, all right, peace out.
It's scared at first, but
Yeah,
when you go back again,
it's fun on the way back, right?
yeah.
Fun.
Scary because the cable is swinging.
Yeah, it sways, yeah.
Hey, Case, are you ready?
Look at the girdles.
Yeah.
What time is it?
I feel it.
Feeling good?
Easy.
I feel good.
I think my sickness is coming back.
Oh no, don't. Maybe you're gonna poo. Oh no.
I feel like I do.
No, you gotta hold it in, man.
Sa garden.
Azzy?
Kapit naman alas 5.
Jeju. Hey, Case, how are you feeling when you're gonna be on the swing?
I'm a little scared
Why?
because I was so tense on that thing over there. So I've used all my energy up after seeing people drop from there.
Yeah, you're gonna scream. Like a
I
little
thought I
girl.
would scream inside.
Screaming, Mama! How do you feel, Azzy? To be in your mama's arms? Later. Mama.
Say, I'm happy.
Jeju.
Wheels under.
Happy!
You're happy and you know it. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your
You're
hands.
happy?
Yay, happy.
You're happy that Papa is going to the swing? Yes!
Can you say yes, sir? Can you say yes, sir?
Cheshire.
Yes, sir.
Super nervous. Are you super nervous?
No, I will be once we get connected.
Oh,
I'll get nervous. The harness actually helps to kind of work things out.
Maling pangita pa ka, BJ. Sagit-sagit ang kano. Ito daw siya, gitu. Babae at sige. 1, 2, 3. Ambak. Ginambak-lambak ka. 1, 2, 3. Hey, Casey, sound like a girl.
Yeah, shit. When you're going up, it's like you think, oh, we're almost there, and then it just keeps going and going, and that's when it's like, oh crap.
I thought it was Ate Maxine who was screaming, although it was you.
Well, you gotta release the energy, because if you hold it in, then it's not as fun.
It's like just instant fall.
Yeah, well, it's nice that they warn you,
Yeah,
like with the whistles and stuff.
makes you.
And then,
You're alright, bro.
gosh, once it releases, it jerks you back.
Yeah.
That's the part that's like, oh crap, and then you're like looking straight down.
I ride that one. I'm gonna swear 10 times.
I know.
Both
The whole time down.
Spanish. Okay, that's a wrap.
So here we are at Eden Nature Park.
Yay! Kaayo! Like and subscribe. Peace. I guess this is the man or what? One, 2, 3, go! Baby Kaayo! Yeah, baby! Yeah, that was fun! Yeah!
Now I can fall in love. With the life you make me live. I feel like I had enough.
We're currently lost right now, and we don't know where do we go.
I can fall in love.
And now we're back. These are the challengers. Alright, we're not gonna get lost. They're not gonna get lost because they have a map. Are we going straight? Or taking a wrong turn again and again and again? Let's check out how the challengers. What can you say about co-hosts? Okay, people, we gotta split up. According to our compass reader, Jay, he said it's here and it's this way. But they say private vehicles do not enter. And this is the Mangosteen group. Casey, Kaayo's fish. I'm your host. They can't see me because it's too dark. And my skin too is dark. Unlike Casey, everywhere he is just like a paper. He's like a light. He always shines in the dark. Is this really it? And we're going here.
I can see it.
And I can see.
Garden, oh.
Wow! We finally made it. It took 2 hours to walk. And my side hurts. Oh yeah, we are here.
Hello.
Take me back 5 years ago.
5 years? Oh yeah, 5
Yeah.
years.
It's been 5 years, and the rainbow's getting bigger.
The rainbow is going.
Stay here, stay here.
Uncle Ricky sit here, and Gimel and Zion go there, down there.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
Uncle Nick flew flower petals here because Angelica cried.
Alright. So we finally made it to the garden. It's already dark, but you can kind of still see. But this is where Maxine and I had our wedding ceremony here in the Philippines. So we didn't sign any papers, so it wasn't official because the visa that we got, we had to get married in America, which we did after we got back. So Maxine's lucky she had 2 wedding ceremonies with the same guy, me. And everyone walked down the aisle over there behind us, down the stairs. And it's just really beautiful here. It's nice to come back. I just wish we weren't walking for 2 hours to get here because we kept getting lost. Carrying Ozzy is kind of tiresome. Here's the boy, Ozzy.
All that I can do is hope you're okay. They say you in a waterfall. They say you come down a long, long way in a barrel. I heard you scream. I saw the fear and the lust.
And now, Casey, you may now kiss the bride.
Let's hope you're okay. Are you? And I hear your parachute exploding against the wind.